Dito sa video na to par, sobrang gigil talaga ni Pakito sa atin par. Matalo na lang sila par, hindi pa talaga siya makaisa sa atin. Bilib din ako sa Johnson dito par kasi sobrang galing niya. Alam niya talaga yung galaw ng kalaban par. So bago tayo mapunta dito sa video na to par, tignan nyo yung full video nito. Thank you. Let's go!
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash the
Intro pa lang par, pero nagsara na kami dito par.
Are we gonna play now? Ready for the show? I'm about to take down, you already know. Get the fuck out of my face now, yeah you gotta go. Man, I'm on the chase now, leave me on my own. I got a chance to break now, here I fucking go. Take control of fate now, I control my flow. And I know that I'll be great, how putting on a show. I know that I'ma stay loud, drowning out the noise. The haters always thinking that they could fucking break me. They're better off eating their own words like pastries. Hate me, and you better find some fucking safety. I'm coming in hot like a bad bitch in pasties. They can't save me, no I ain't lazy, no. But society has me going so crazy, yo. Don't blame me, no my mind's hazy, yo. And I'm sick of me feeling this way daily. I will always live my life till it's over, and I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. And I will always live my life till it's over. And I will never give those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now. You got one life, so live it right. Keep your friends tight and your family in sight. Never cease to fight for the things you think are right, cause you just might find you control your own mind, eh? You'll be fine, eh?
Gulat din ako dito par kasi nadasyan yung second ko. Yung wall, di ba? May wall yung badang. Dito par. Yan, di ba? Dapat na puro na siya dun.
Make them take it back, what they said about you. Every time they doubt you, make that shit about you. Forget about the clout, yo. Fuck the word of mouth, yo. Keep your head down, yo. Work until you found, yo. Fight until you make it, yo. Don't think it, no, just take it. Don't wait for someone to break it. Take control and don't just take it, eh. You can make it happen, you just gotta take some action. Take the ship and be the captain. Head on out and don't look back, yeah. I will always live my life till it's over. And I will not forgive those who hold me down. And I will never give up, I'm moving forward. And I will never miss my chance, take it now.
At dito na nasimula yung asara namin par. Tignan nyo dito. Ayan o. Ito ang technique par para magasim yung kalaban. Tignan nyo par. Ganyan lang par. Tipi-tipi lang kayo dapat. Magasar yan par. Tignan nyo. Pasok yan par. Tignan mo par. Aasim yan par. Pasok yan par. Ey! Dito par. Tower hug tayo. Para papasok yan. Tignan nyo. Ey! Nagkamali ka idol. Dito par. Ang bilis naka-type ni Pakito par. Tignan nyo. Type yan par. Hey, tower hug. Asar ka par. Hey. So dito par, kala ko talaga maubos ko sila. Ayan. Kulang pala yung damage ko par. Pagkamali ako dyan par. So dito par, inasar talaga niya ni Johnson par. Bawin sa akin. Hey! DP! Tapos ko pag diff sa top par, dito naman ako sa mid. Ang dami kasing clash, so ayun. Nakita ko dyan si Pakito par. Boom, patay par. Asar talaga par. Tamang TP lang. Hey!
I ain't taking a backseat, I'm passing anybody else who is rapping. I'm nasty, ain't nobody able to catch me. They gas
Sa daming nangyari par.
me, I'm at half speed.
Dito, nag-glass siya mid.
Laughing and dancing.
So ayan,
What she asking to crash with me.
palag ito par, ubusan ng lahat ito par.
She wants cash money.
Nakita ka ng spagito par. Ayan, takas ka pa ha.
I'm cold.
Hindi ka makatakas sa akin boy. TV ka sa mukha boy. Hey.
Alive, I fight to live, I fight to strive. One day I'll have what I want.
Dito par, nagpahabol si Iritel par.
Man, now I'm teaching the
Kala taga walang sasakyan kami.
anybody
I wonder if you know. If I really talking yo. Hey, patay ka par.
sending and blending, lyrical bending. Now I'm spreading and getting my name out now. Yeah, they hearing me laugh. All the crowds repping the sound.
Sabi ni parin Johnson par, pahangin na kami saglit. So ayun,
I'ma keep it
nakita ko ng kalaban par. Ito par, patay ito par. Boom, patay ka par.
and I ain't bluffing. I got a full hand and a full plan.
Dito par, dito na nagsimula yung kalbaryo nila par.
Drop got me feeling awesome.
GG na to par, sure win na to.
From the bottom, yeah. I wanna live. I'm cold inside. Give all I have just to feel alive.
Pag nakita mo tong video na to par, pa-follow naman par. Thank you. Malaki ng bagay sa akin yan par. Love you.
Have what I want in life.
Para tayo ay victory!